Your problem isn't really indicator itself. One of the most popular breakout tools on TradingView causes a lot of traders problems, not because the tool is bad, but because most people use it without a real sense of market structure, momentum, or how to protect their capital. Watch out the gold 15-minute chart. Price pulls back cleanly into the mid band, then break above the upper band with a conviction and keep running. That was a clean 2-hour winner. But if you had just followed the plain default Bollinger Band's breakout signals on the same chart, you would have been chopped up multiple times before this stop even appeared. Today, I'll show you how I turn this popular tool into a system that waits for real trend conditions, waits for genuine momentum, and keeps you out of the noise. This isn't about taking more trades, it's about taking better ones. Stick around. By the end, you'll have the full process. Here's why most breakout traders still lose money. They treat every band expansion as an opportunity. The basic logic sounds simple. Price closes outside the band, you jump in. But in real markets, that approach gets destroyed by fakeouts, stop hunts, and low conviction chop. Look at this section here. Bands expands, price breaks out, but there's no follow through. Another break, another reversal. Small losses keep stacking up. The indicator can't tell the difference between random noise and a move back sustained directional momentum. That's the core problem. These are the setups that quietly frustrate traders. Price might take above the upper band, but the move lacks conviction. No real participation behind it. You enter, it reverses. Stops get hit. Over time, it bleeds the account. Most traders think their edge comes from finding more setups. In reality, a big part of edge comes from waiting for the right ones. Now let's look at what a good setup actually looks like. Same gold chart, but this time everything lines up. Price is trading above the Bollinger Band's overall. Clear uptrend control. We get a pullback to the middle band, giving a better entry price where the market already showed support. Then a candle closes above the upper band and the momentum histogram turns green, confirming persistent buying pressure. That combination, structure, pullback, band break, and momentum confirmation is what makes a setup worth your capital. You're not guessing, you're selecting. To make this work cleanly, we adjust the Bollinger Bands. Set that to SMA, then set the length to 45. And layer on the squeeze momentum indicator by Lazy Bear with these settings. BB length 100. Multiplier 2. KC length 100. Multiplier 2.5. And histogram colors green, white, red, and white. This is it for the tools. And here's exactly how the system operates. For long trades, price trading above the Bollinger Bands. Bigger trend is up. Pull back to the mid band. Then candle closes above the upper band. And after that, check out the squeeze momentum, which should be green. Only when all four conditions line up, we do enter. On the short side, it's the mirror image, price trading below the bands, downtrend confirmed. Pull back up to the middle line. Candle closes below the lower band. And a squeeze momentum turns red. Again, everything has to align, no forcing entries. Now compare that to this one. Band expands. Price breaks it. But the squeeze momentum stays wide in a chop range. No real momentum. This is exactly the kind of setup we pass on. Watching it play out without participation is one of the hardest but most important skills. Patience here protects your capital more than any single winner. A stop loss goes below the recent swing low or lower band area, whichever respects the structure better. Targets are 1.5 or 2 times your risk. That keeps the math working in your favor over a series of trades. You're not looking for home runs. You're letting real momentum do the work. Markets moves on participation, liquidity, and momentum. Most of the time, those things aren't aligned. This system simply waits until they are. You get fewer trades, but the ones you take have a structure and conviction behind them. That's how you turn a frustrating breakout tool into something that actually makes sense in live conditions. This framework works across any market, forex, stocks, indices, crypto, and can be adapted to multiple timeframes. Just keep your position size so the risk stays consistent with the volatility you're trading.